Hello, hello. It's another episode again with Deep. With Deep. So we have a special function today. We have an exhibit of all the painting in our resort at the Wyndham. These are drinks. And that is the chef. The chef is on the house today. Yeah. Woo! He is here.
You guys gonna provide some napkins or how you gonna do it?
We do. And this is our setup for
very
today.
smart, very smart.
Hi, chef.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Yeah,
Nice to see you again.
Okay. And this is the setup. This is all the setup. And this is all the painting that they're gonna exhibit. It's gonna be the painting that they're gonna exhibit today. Over here. Good life. And there's the outside resort down there.
But they only can choose two drinks.
Yeah.
Would you say if they want some?
Well, if there's any other drinks, they have to pay. Yeah.
You're lucky you did, huh?
Let's go to the kitchen. Hi, Josh. This is our new baby. That's Josh. I get my vlog now. So, chef,
Yes, sir.
they're making ready for today. This is the creation for today. With all the dessert.
Some desserts also there. If you
Yeah.
want to see.
So, this is mustard. And this is the other mustard. Filipino mafia. Hey.
You too.
So you have to make this guy famous also. Over here. Oh, see? Look at that. That's the expert. Good. And you? Chef. Welcome back. So this is what he created today. Look at that. Nice, eh? This is the dessert for the event today. And this is some of the dessert. And I'm gonna show you what drinks I do today also. I have some special drink for this event today. So everything is almost ready. Almost ready. And special flower. The special flower for today. There we go. And all the garnishes. I got my garnish also. Over here. Sun-dried lime. And the sun-dried lemon. And the sun-dried orange. I got the orange also. The bigger one. This for this special event today. So there's the orange. Then I got like special over here. The passion fruit. Got it? That's the passion fruits. And then I got the blackberry liqueur. And there's the blackberry, fresh blackberry. And it's all, everything today. All our stuff. You can use it today also. Okay. All right. That's for the moment. Yeah. Try the passion. Oh, you want it?
Oh, she said whatever you give, she drinks.
Whichever one you want to give
Yeah. Then next, you can try the other one.
She's okay.
Yeah.
me. That's funny choice.
So why not, right?
You guys have
Oh,
done
thank you so
such
much.
a
Yeah.
good job.
Thank you so much. Well, this is the Cayman Art, so it should be artistic also. Because you have to bring your passion, you know, not just like
This is my passion project.
yeah. So there we go. Cheers. Yeah. You know that the man is calling me. It's like you can make a drinks. I'm not ready. So it's just like I just start thinking what I can I start mixing this next thing. Oh man, this good. So this all good. I think this and that one.
And then you wait. Because I always think, I don't know if I'm
listen.
gonna, but when I
But
taste
it
it,
depends how you do it. Because people, this is not working hard. And people just drink somehow. People just drink beer. But you put the best people.
what to try.
Yeah. What to try. That's what your job. That's what you should have a passion. One Cayman passion.
One Cayman passion, one fruit punch, please.
When is one of the all that makes
Yeah. This is what I'm telling you. I told you. First. Hey, one more?
Who doing the mess? I had to be tuning.
No, this
I have
cut.
to be tuning.
That is cut. That's it. He's drunk. He's drunk already. That's good also.
Yeah, this is really good.
Yeah. And this more kick than this.
Yeah. But that's the gin, right?
Hey, Danny, say hello to my little friends down there.
Oh,
Oh, that's right.
hi guys.
Fruit punch. Fruit punch?
I enjoy a good afternoon at the Wyndham Reef. As usual, Doris, Dip, Tony, Kobe, everybody looks so good and dressed up. I'm here in my short pants, but we're okay. Everything is good.
Life is good.
Life is good.
Life is beautiful, man.
Gorgeous weather.
Yeah. Really nice. And these are all our guests today. All about guests, service. You know, before we end on this video, actually, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and this is the Cayman Art day today at the Wyndham. There's a lot of guests actually coming by. Maybe they're buying some stuff for the painting. So we'll see. And plus, foods and drinks also. Alright? This is we're speaking right now. So that's all about.
Because this has been a dream since before COVID. One evening I made that nice night and we next.
Can I try the other one?
The other one? Yeah, the Bramble? Yeah, why not? Let me. This is fine for you. This is gonna be in the YouTube.
Oh, this is live?
Yeah, this is not live, but this is gonna be in the YouTube, right? Cool. Yeah, and they can see what I'm making.
Amazing.
And they can move this.
Charlene and Tony and Mihai. Tony has curated the Cayman Passion and the Gin Franco. And the F&B team.
Thank you.
You will see other exhibitions we are already. So we'll be changing out the things usually able to see, you know, the scope of the talent that's there, and we hope that we can make.
You're gonna love this drinks, yeah.
So you put some gin in there, what else?
Yeah, gin, and then you got the sour mix.
Oh,
And
nice.
just a touch of soda, so that they can.
To the fissiness? Yeah. And this is?
This is the Chambord. It's a
Oh.
blackberry liqueur.
Oh my god, I need to feel this
I'm
too.
sure you're gonna love it.
Nice.
And then the
So I'm
sample.
guessing it's a little bit tart and
It
also
is, yeah.
fizzy.
It is, and then you got got the sun-dried lemon. I get the blackberry fruits. This is finale. Yeah, the
The
gin.
grand finale.
There we go.
Oh,
Cheers.
thank you so much. Oh, okay. So put my hand in it?
All right,
Yeah.
cheers. Here we go.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Whoa.
Yeah, this is nice, yeah.
Good.
Yes, sir.
What was
I'm
that?
happy. That is the bramble.
The what?
The bramble. Try those.
I'll try one bramble and one water, please.
Okay, one bramble and one word. One spoon water. This is water because you're eating.
Too bad.
Alright, and this for you. This is gonna be the bramble. This is for tonight and today. That's it, you know. So, well, I see you next time. Don't forget my YouTube channel, Naked Mixology, my Facebook page also, and then I'm looking down there because and then my IG. All right, thank you.